A lot of times on old Unisaws, the locking knobs in the middle of the hand wheels no longer lock the tilt and elevation hand wheels. And the elevation hand wheel is easy to get to. You just remove the pointer bracket and you can replace the plugs that way. But the tilt shaft is a lot harder. You've got to actually disassemble the internal parts, and here you can see I've got the front trunnion bracket casting here with the tilt shaft removed. I'm putting the plugs back into the shaft. I put the fiber washer and the retaining collar on, and now I'm going to put the fiber washer on the other side and then the worm gear. You have to line up the holes for the rolled pin, and they can only be oriented one way because the holes were drilled through and then the pins were placed. So you've got to make sure that you've got it on the right way. There's only one proper way to align those. Sometimes you have to flip the retaining collar or spin it. The worm gear is a little bit easier because there's only one way to orient that. Then you might just have to spin the shaft to line everything up. But again, there's only one proper way. So look through the hole before you start pounding. You don't want to crumple or bend that rolled pin. And then now that I've got the retaining collar on, I'm going to put the worm gear on, and again I'm going to rotate the shaft and look through the hole on the worm gear. And again, just to reiterate, I've got the plugs put into the shaft already, and they're now hidden under that casting where my right hand is right now. You got to put those in first before you lock all these things in place. In this case, the worm gear, it looked like they might have at some point in the life of this saw maybe replaced the shaft or the worm gear, and the holes didn't line up right. So I just got a drill of the proper size, the exact diameter of the rolled pin, and I just re-drilled the through hole to make sure that this would actually go in properly. So then it was a lot easier to get everything lined up and to put the rolled pin in. And then once this rolled pin was in, everything's ready to go and reinstall and work properly. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope the video has been helpful for you. Feel free to subscribe using the subscribe link. And if you've benefited from the channel and enjoy what you see here, consider donating using the PayPal link that's on my banner picture on my YouTube channel homepage. I put out a video per week. Hope they're helpful. Anything else I can do, contact me. Thanks a lot.